Hi there, welcome back to the channel, your trusted companion for better sleep and a healthier life. Let me ask you, have you ever considered how the light around you affects your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep? Well, it turns out that the type of light you're exposed to and when plays a major role in your sleep quality. Let's dive into the science and discover how to harness light effectively to sleep better every night. Natural light is your best friend when it comes to setting a healthy sleep-wake rhythm. Getting bright natural sunlight during the day, especially in the morning, helps your body know when it's time to be awake and alert. It boosts your mood, energy, and sets your internal clock correctly so that when nighttime comes, your body knows it's time to wind down. But here's the problem. In the evening, especially just before bed, we're often surrounded by artificial light from ceiling lamps, TVs, and of course, our phones and tablets. This bad light, especially blue light, tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Your body slows down the production of melatonin, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy, and you end up lying in bed, tired, but unable to sleep. So, what's the solution? First, get at least 20 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight in the morning. Step outside, take a walk, or just enjoy your coffee by a sunny window. It makes a bigger difference than you think. Second, reduce exposure to artificial light in the evening. Dim your lights after sunset. Try using warm-colored light bulbs in your bedroom or living areas. And about 1 to 2 hours before bed, cut down on screen time. Or if you must use your phone, turn on night mode or use blue light filters. Third, make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep it dark and cozy. Consider blackout curtains or a sleep mask to block outside light completely. The bottom line is this: light can be your greatest ally or your biggest enemy when it comes to sleep. Use it wisely during the day and control it carefully at night, and your sleep will improve more than you expect. If this video helped you understand how light affects sleep, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs better sleep tonight. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.